2065, manufacturing, I don't think is going to quite look like the Jetsons. I think it's going to be better.
Today we're working on a computer. Probably it's going to be something that's embedded in our brain, and our brain's going to process it out to a chip.
We're going to have machines and AI working right beside people.
Continuous innovation on a scale we've never seen, with new product introduction cycles measured in days, not years.
I think there will be tons of groundbreaking technology that people haven't even thought of yet.
Oh yeah, we definitely have factories, but much more automated, quiet.
By the way, we don't call it a factory. Everything's going to be technology distribution.
You'll have your own little 3D printer inside your house, very Star Trek-like. It's going to make what you want when you want it.
I think the factories are going to be full of Gen Z, Gen Alpha, and robots. And I think they're all going to be working together.
They'll be actually reading our brain waves and directly doing what we can't do as humans on the shop floor, inside a machine.
Computer-aided, AI-guided, picture man, woman talking to machine, working with the machine.
Whether it's a hovercraft or an electronic digital transformation vehicle, somebody had to make it.
We might have brand new materials. We're not making stuff with steel and carbon fiber and plastic anymore, but maybe there's some sort of next generation technology out there we can build stuff out of.
Mass manufacturing will look totally different. It is highly automated.
Complete connection of the supply chain from the very back-end materials to the front-end application in minutes.
And I believe you will have a huge trend to personalization.
You're going to have a need for your heart valve, and that doctor who's going to be sitting in the Cleveland Clinic is going to be putting that in digitally in some other part of the world.
You have to deal with the ethics of robots replacing people. What happens if we fly past the human factor associated with work?
We know AI is going to be fused into our brains in some way, shape, or form. And so it's going to be all part of integration. We have to be conscious that we don't explode and implode in the bad way.
I think in 40 years, we need to be known as one of the centers for innovation as it relates to both making things that matter smarter and greener.
I hope we have true circular economies. So you have factories that can take inputs, convert them into an output, and then whatever waste is generated, reuse it as an input and just keep that cycle spinning.
Because we're going to be making parts for our body, our hips, our brains, whatever it's going to be, not just machining it. It's going to be made in a digital format, and it's going to be exciting.
Our biggest risk is that our imagination is not big enough.